Hello everyone, this is Snatch, the builder of RobinLend, an institutional grade reward-backed lending protocol built for the Arbitrum Open House Buildathon and deployed live on the RobinLend L2 chain. While retail DeFi has flourished, institutions remain on the sideline due to compliance, gas uncertainty, and lack of familiar collateral. RobinLend solved this. We bridge real-world equities like tokenized stocks with compliance-first on-chain lending pool. To enter the app, users connect their Web3 wallets. Our built-in network guard ensures that users are connected to the Robinhood L2 Testnet, prompting an automatic network switch if they are on a different chain. Compliance is core to RobinLend. To unlock borrowing capabilities, users register their wallets on-chain with our self-service KYC registry. This guarantees that all lending operations remain within a whitelisted verified pool of participants. Under Faucets, we provided a seamless onboarding flow. Clicking Claim Stock Tokens redirects users directly to the official Robinhood faucets. In addition, users can request testnet USDC directly inside the dashboard to get started immediately. With stock collateral in hand, users can deposit tokenized equities like Tesla, Amazon, or AMD. Let me start by depositing a few amounts of NFLX token assets. You see, the transaction is instantly processed on chain, updating our collateral balance and increasing our borrowing power in real time. After that, we can borrow USDC against our already committed stock assets. Are we borrowing like 1000 USDC? Our dashboard updates dynamically, calculating the remaining borrowing capacity and current head factor.